Hello friends, this is Anthony live on No Judgment. Your story matters. Today's letter comes from a brave listener who writes, Hi Anthony, I landed my dream job, exactly what I wanted since childhood. But once I started, the pressure, the chaos, the long hours, it all piled up. I felt overwhelmed, lost sleep, I couldn't focus, and my mental health spiraled. I ended up quitting, and now I feel like I failed. What should I do? First off, thank you for trusting us with your story. You did something courageous. You chased your dream, and when it hurt your well-being, you pressed pause. That's not failure, that's survival. Let's unpack this. Psychology tells us that when expectations collide with reality, our brain hits an alarm bell. Cognitive behavioral therapy researchers call this a prediction error. You predicted joy, but reality served you stress sushi. Now your mind is saying, hey, what happened here? That's normal, even healthy. Here's a 3-step life hack to get you moving forward. Reflect with compassion. Grab a notebook and list 3 things you learned in that job. Skills you gained, strengths you discovered, limits you tested. Even pain teaches you something. By focusing on your real accomplishments, you rewrite a story from failure. Second, rebuild your routine. When anxiety and burnout strike, your daily rhythm often falls apart. Try a simple structure. Wake up at the same time, take a 10-minute walk, write 3 bullet points of gratitude, and eat a balanced meal. These small anchors calm your nervous system and remind you that you're in control. One meal, one walk at a time. B. Experiment with micro jobs. Instead of living back into a full-time version of that dream position, test the water. Maybe it's volunteering, shadowing someone part-time, or taking an online project. That way, you can adjust the pace, control the stress, and discover which parts of the job you truly love without overloading your heart. A little humor to cheer you on. I once dreamed of being a rock star, only to discover my singing voice sounded like a squeaky door. But that failure led me to radio, where apparently squeaky doors aren't required. Who knew? You might feel a sting now. But remember, every great career path is a zigzag, not a straight line. Quitting doesn't erase your worth. It's proof you know your limits and value your mental health. Real growth often happens between the cracks of our plans. So, dear listener, give yourself permission to breathe. Pat yourself on the back for quitting before a total meltdown. Use these weeks, days, even to recalibrate. Write, walk, dream smaller tests. Your dream job might still be out there, waiting for the wiser, stronger version of you. You're not a failure. You're a human being learning to balance ambition with self-care. And that story? It matters to all of us tuning in right now. Keep going. We believe in you.